Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach. Britt, I love this oasis. And look, it's blazing sun outside and we're covered.
We don't feel it. This backyard, well, this home has the makings of a perfect beach day.
Absolutely.
We're close to the beach.
Yes.
You get home, you're too sandy. If you want to rinse off in the outdoor shower.
It's right here.
If you want to have a drink on the beautiful porch.
Yes.
If you want to get in the hot tub.
Everybody. This is big enough for everybody.
Oh, and I don't know if you noticed, there's also an outdoor shed for storage and another workshop area that's fully wired.
Exactly. And so you can have your playtime over there. Whatever.
Right.
Dad can be over there.
The surfboard breaks, you can fix it in the workshop.
Exactly.
Perfect beach
And
day.
I love the greenery and the shade. You've got the sail over the hot tub, but you also have this tree shade. It's perfect.
We're over here at this adorable little house on Marlin. It's actually the section of Panama City Beach that I grew up in. They've just added on this great front porch, nice and screened in over here at this home. Spacious, plenty of room to hang out with friends, play some music, have a drink. There's even a little bar sitting area for you. And you've got the big screen TV in case you want to catch the game. And as you walk into the front of the home, we've open concept living and kitchen area. We have flooring throughout that is nice and easy to maintain. As you go into the kitchen area, you'll notice an updated backsplash and lots of cabinetry and a little bit of elevated ceilings in this area as well. Give you an expansive feel, lets lots of natural light in. I can't wait to check out the rest of this house. Let's see what Heather thinks.
That's right, Britt. Thank you. I'm in one of the 3 bedrooms. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, and you do have a main ensuite. And we love the West End. It's just a perfect little, this one feels like a calm, quiet oasis. So keep looking and enjoy. I love this little boat shed.
Yes, it's actually got some power, and if you have extra beach toys,
Oh, yeah.
you can park them right there.
Great idea. With plenty of parking, plenty of boat.
So for more information, look in the description below. We've got the active listing link there for you to check any more details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our beachshow.com YouTube channel. You don't want to miss out on any future hot deals like this one.